So let's talk about the OpenRouter action for Daeda Essentials and how you can use it to add AI to your workflows. So obviously, the first thing you have to do is you have to set up Daeda Essentials. That can be installed from the HubSpot app marketplace. Just hit install, add it to the account that you would like, check the permissions, and then connect to the app. Now, if you're trying to use the OpenRouter AI action, there is a second step to the setup, which is you need to connect your OpenRouter account. So the way you can do that is by going to your HubSpot settings, go to integrations, go to connected apps, and then click Daeda Essentials. And then from the Daeda Essentials settings page, we're going to hit manage account. That's going to bring up the portal. What you need to do is select your hub ID, and then in apps Daeda Essentials, you can see we have an input for the OpenRouter API key. So what we're going to do is go to OpenRouter. I already have an account, but you might need to set one up. Add some credits, $1 or $2 is plenty. And then we're going to go to keys and create a key. Now you want to keep this key secret as it gives access to your OpenRouter account. But here we're going to create an OpenRouter demo key with a limit of $1. And we're going to copy that key and come back to the Daeda Essentials portal, and we're going to paste that key here and hit save. Cool, so now we're all set up. We can head to workflows, and I'm going to set up a company-based workflow. I'm going to keep it basic. I'm going to stick to a manual enrollment, and I'm going to add the OpenRouter AI action that's in Daeda Essentials in the left-hand menu. And you can see we have selects here for the models, for the providers, boxes for the prompts. For the models, you can see here that we have all the models. We have Gemini 2.5, which released a day ago. We have the Claude family of models, which are very good, though a little bit pricey. We have the DeepSeek Chinese models, which are very good and quite cheap. And we also have the OG ChatGPT, all those models as well. But the one we're going to use today is Perplexity. The Perplexity model was quite special because it has an inbuilt web search, so it can search the web and provide you answers, using Google basically. So we're going to set up a prompt for finding blog posts from companies' blogs. So we write the prompt in here, and then in the data variables menu, we can add the company name, we can add the company domain to help it out. And we're going to say what's the latest blog piece by this company. Cool. And then we're going to add an email action. I'm going to set this up to email it to myself. And what we're also going to do is we're going to use the action output of the OpenRouter AI action. We're going to use the model's response formatted as HTML to give us a really nice email templated response. Turn on this workflow, and we are going to enroll Apple. And then we're going to go to our email and wait a couple of moments for the report to come through. Here it is. And as you can see, Perplexity is gone. It searched the web and it's found out that the latest news is related to WWDC 2024. And also an announcement for WWDC 25, which will be held in June. Cool. Now, if you want to use web search with any of the other models, OpenRouter has capabilities for that too. So here we're going to use the Claude models, which are a personal favorite. And if we just check that web search box, it will cost us a little bit extra, about $4 extra for 200 requests. But that's going to give Claude access to the web. So now we're going to choose Microsoft and get a report on Microsoft's blog. And there we have it. As you can see, it's found some guidance for a security issue, and it's also grabbed a few other blog pieces talking about AI, the metaverse, and women in tech. Cool, so that's the OpenRouter AI action. If you'd like to try that out, Daeda Essentials has a free tier that you can use, though you will need an OpenRouter account to access any of the AIs.